In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to filter data in Microsoft Excel. Filtering is one of the most useful tools in Excel because it helps you focus only on the information you want to see without deleting or changing the rest of your data. If you're working with a long list of names, departments, dates, or numbers, filter make it much easier to narrow everything down quickly. To begin, select any cell in your data table. You don't need to highlight the entire table first. Excel is usually smart enough to recognize the range of your data as long as your table is organized with clear column headers. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find tools for organizing, sorting, and filtering your worksheet. In the Sort and Filter group, click Filter. As soon as you do that, drop-down arrows will appear in each column header of your table. These arrows are what let you control which data is shown. Now click the drop-down arrow in the specific column you want to filter. This opens the filter menu for that column. From here, you can choose exactly what you want to display. You can check or uncheck individual items in the list, which is useful when you only wanted to see certain categories or values. You can also use more advanced options depending on the type of data in that column. For text columns, use text filters. For numeric data, use number filters. And for date-based information, use date filters. These built-in filter types help you narrow your data even further, especially when you're looking for values that match certain conditions. After making your selections, click OK to apply the filter. Excel will then hide the rows that don't match your criteria and show only the data you want to focus on. This makes reviewing large data sets much faster and much more manageable. Here's a simple example. Let's say you want to show only employees in the sales department. Click the filter arrow in the department column. In the list, uncheck Select All to clear all options, then check Sales and click OK. Excel will instantly filter the table so that only rows for the sales department remain visible. That's all it takes to filter data in Microsoft Excel. Once you get comfortable using filters, you'll be able to explore and analyze information much more efficiently. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when working with spreadsheets.